Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to design social media posts using Canva AI. Let's get started. First, open the Canva AI on your browser. Then here, click Create a Design and choose a format like Instagram post, Facebook post, or TikTok design. Then here you can use the magic design by entering your idea or uploading an image. Then Canva AI will generate a ready-made post design for you. You can also choose a template that you like and start customizing it. You can edit the design by changing the text and captions, colors and fonts, images, or icons. Here you can also use the magic right to generate captions or content ideas for your post. Make sure that your design is clear, visually appealing, and aligned with your brand. Once you're done, click download or share it directly to your social media accounts. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.